Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to quickly show you guys everything that I eat in a day while I'm doing the Chloe Ting 2-week shred challenge. I've actually tried this diet before while just working out moderately, and I actually did see a lot of results, so I wanted to give it a try while I do this challenge. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I eat for breakfast, come back for lunch and dinner. I don't really snack too much, but if you guys are looking for some healthy alternatives for snacks, then I can go over it as well. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys what I eat for breakfast. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm gonna have my coffee. I like to drink something hot in the morning before I eat anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my coffee and then I'll show you guys what I eat for breakfast. Alright guys, so for breakfast I'm just having some egg whites with red and green bell peppers and diced tomatoes. So I'm just gonna cook my eggs. I'm also having turkey bacon. My turkey bacon is in the air fryer, and then I'm going to have a cup of green juice as well. So I'll show you guys what everything looks like when it's all done cooking. Alright guys, there you have it. This is my breakfast. I have my egg whites, have my turkey bacon, and my green juice. So this is what I'll have usually every morning. If I'm not really hungry, then I'll opt for a smoothie instead. But for the most part, this is it. And then my green juice. My green juice has celery, cucumber, spinach, romaine, kale, lime, and parsley. So this is the cold pressed green juice that I usually have. It's 100% juice. And that's all for breakfast. Nice and simple. I'm getting ready to show you guys a quick clip of me doing the workout. It's really not easy, but we're gonna do it. Got my workout gear on. You know, so I'll see y'all soon. Alright guys, for lunch, I'm just having some sauteed spinach, and I'm going to have this with some grilled chicken and some fruit. Alright guys, so this is my lunch. I'm having some spinach that I sauteed with some minced garlic. I used a little bit of low sodium seasoned salt and some black pepper. I have my fajita style grilled chicken, which was already cooked, so I just popped that in the microwave really fast. And I have a little bowl of some mixed berries, strawberries and blueberries. So this is the type of foods that I'll eat for lunch. I try to keep it really low carb until we get to dinner time. Yep, so that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so for dinner I am making a quick stir fry. I have my shrimp, my peppers, and my broccoli. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw this all in the wok and then add my sauces, and I'll show you what everything looks like. Alright, I have my peppers cooking up. I'm adding my broccoli, and then I'm going to have this steam for a little bit before I add the teriyaki sauce. I'm using a low sodium teriyaki sauce because we're trying to keep our sodium levels low. And here you can see I've added my teriyaki sauce, and it's pretty much ready, guys. Nice and simple. Alright guys, so I've showed you everything that I eat in a day. I actually didn't eat any snacks today, so I did pretty good. But usually if I do, if I do get hungry, I might have a smoothie or I might have some nuts or whatever the case is. Just try to keep it low carb and try to be mindful of your calories, because in order to lose weight you have to have a calorie deficit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll check back in about a week and a half with my results from the challenge. I have about another week to go, so I'll check back in and show you guys my results when I'm all done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.